Hello, I'm John Klesnick, founder of MiniMax Carpet Machines LLC, and this video is to discuss the differences between the rotary machine and OP equipment and why the rotary machine is superior and why it's the better choice for your cleaning operation. The wheel is one of the best inventions ever made, ever given to man. The MiniMax has many wheels on it. The wheel is designed to spin in a balanced, precision, rotating motion. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's precise, it has great durability. The OP machine uses a oscillating movement, which is not precise. It doesn't spin in a round movement. It vibrates, it's louder, it's not as durable, and it's much rougher on pads. Let's say you had a race car, and on one Formula One car you had precision round wheels, and on the other car you had an oscillating movement on the end of the axles. Which car would win the race? Which car would be faster? Which car would be better to drive, more durable? Which car would handle better? Which car would win the race? The one with the smooth, precision, round motion. And that's why the rotary is superior to OP machines. So let's go over some of the differences and some of the benefits that the MiniMax offers. This is the Terminator edition, and what this offers compared to the OP machines, and let's stack them up side by side and see who is better. So let's look at some of the differences between the MiniMax and what it offers you and what the OPs offer. So right off the bat, the MiniMax has better head weight. It doesn't sit on an axle where most of the weight or a portion of the weight is distributed over the wheels. The entire machine weight is over the pad, which means you have a higher pound per square inch, which means you have better press in, better friction, and better cleaning. The MiniMax allows you to run a brush, and we call it the multi-brush because it has over 9,000 bristles and a bonnet that you can insert inside. And this allows you to clean deeper and better than any OP machine ever made. The OPs, quite frankly, don't have enough torque. They don't have enough power to spin a brush. The MiniMax does. We use a 10-to-1 gearbox, and that provides superior torque and allows you to clean deeper and faster than any OP machine ever created. So we have better head weight. We have things like removable storage that you can put bonnets and chemicals in. The OP, they don't have that. We use hospital grade plugs on the pigtail and on the extension cord. We're the only company that manufactures equipment in the US with hospital grade plugs. The OP machines, they don't have that either. We have a locking power cord using the quick lock system. This prevents disconnections from the pigtail and the machine from the power source. You don't need an S-hook. You don't need any type of special apparatus. It plugs in the way you expect it should, and it works fantastically. The OP machine does not have that. With the MiniMax, you can use any type of bonnet. You can use thin ones, thick ones, double layer bonnets. You don't need a single thin layer bonnet that's center stitched like the OP machine. You can put anything under this machine that you want to use. The OP machine just does not give you as many options. You can't use the brush as we discussed on the OP machine because it just doesn't have the power, which means you can't clean as deep. The bristles from a multi-brush will penetrate the carpet fibers. They won't pontoon or float on top. This gives you a deeper, better, faster clean. The OP, again, it just can't do it. We can connect a satellite spray system. We can have a 60-foot radius around the machine using the machine's pump. You can pre-spot, you can pre-spray, you can spray steps, you can spray upholstery, you can spray down protector. The OP machines, they don't offer it. The MiniMax is made with aluminum plate, a high quality aluminum that's bent and that's fully welded. This isn't a weak stamping, it's a superior material. This won't rust, it's lighter, and it's strong, and will give you a lifetime full of service. OP machines don't use aluminum plate, they use steel. So they don't have that benefit. We use premium reflective decals on the motor, on top, on the sides, up top. So if you're moving through a parking lot at night and a vehicle comes, these will shine like an ambulance or a police car. They will light up the area, and it provides a safety feature. Not only do they look fantastic, and this is actual chrome on the front of this label that we laminate over, and laminating gives it superior durability over just ordinary decals. The OP machines, they don't have that. We put a filter. This filter allows any debris to be filtered out before it hits the pump, and therefore you're never going to get a clog in your spray tips or your spray system. The OP machines, to my knowledge, also do not have that. We have the never spill feature that I designed. So no matter what position the handle's in, whether you lay the machine all the way back or it's in the upright position, this rotates and always stays north, pointing north, so you never spill. The OP machines do not have that. We use a toolless, quick change tip system, which within just a matter of seconds, you can replace the tip. We have another tip on the machine, which allows you to go from a vertical to a horizontal spray pattern. So you can spray in a swing pattern, or you can spray in a forward motion, and you can use different size tips, and it takes seconds to exchange the tip to fit the job need. OP machines do not have that. Our tips are dripless. They come from a different industry. This mechanism here prevents it from dripping, so if you're going from carpet to tile to carpet again, you're not going to have to go back and wipe up the tile, because this won't drip all over the place. OP machines don't have that either. We put a cooling fin on the pump. Not only does it keep the pump cool and increases your durability, it also looks fantastic. OP machines don't spend the extra money for that. We do here at MiniMax. We use stainless steel hardware and nylon insert locking nuts. So not only does our equipment look better longer, it won't rust and it won't vibrate apart. Vibration's not a problem with the MiniMax like it is with OP machines, but these won't come apart until you take them apart. OP machines, to my knowledge, aren't using that. You can operate this machine in a bi-directional mode, which means you can swing it, you can go in any angle, so you have total freedom of movement, or we'll have a wheels down option where you can push the machine forward and wheel it back if you prefer that for long straight areas. OP machines force you to push it forward and pull it back, always tripping and dealing with the cord. We give you more options than the OP machine does. We are the better choice with freedom of movement. OP machines don't offer you that choice. Our pump runs in continuous and momentary mode. We give you two options. Continuous allows you to use a satellite spray system, or for long areas to just turn the pump on. If you need more precision, you can hit the pump in momentary mode and you have complete control over the pump system. OP machines don't offer that, so they get another no. We have robotic stair climbing wheels. These wheels spin forward to back. These barrels spin left to right, so you can position the machine left to right. If you were on a carpet and you wanted to slide down, or actually if you were on a tile and you wanted to slide down and pre-treat that first area of the carpet, you could actually run the machine sideways. And this whole assembly rotates to climb steps, and I'll show that in another video. OP machines don't offer that either. We have our bumper wheels, which protect the walls, which protect doors when you're going through doorways, protects the machine and the customer's expensive doors in their hotels and in their buildings. OP machines don't offer that. Oh, we will be able to operate in wheels up or wheels down with a change of the riser on the pad drive. OPs don't give you an option. They don't give you that choice. We have illuminated cords, power cords, that allow you to diagnose your machine. If these are lit and I have an issue with my pump, or my motor, and I know I have electric coming down through the system, then I can isolate that problem to the pump or the motor for easier diagnostics. I don't have to guess, is it up in the tiller, is it in the wiring, is it somewhere else? This isolates the problem and helps you repair and get back on the road quicker should you have an issue. OP machines don't offer that. So using the bonnets under the Rotary is much gentler on the bonnets than an OP machine. We don't use Velcro. So one of the complaints I get a lot, or questions I get a lot as the owner also of Bonnet Pro, is the issues that the OP machines cause with bonnets. They have a tendency to tear up the bonnet if the bonnet grips the carpet and the OP pad driver doesn't grip the bonnet on top. It vibrates and wants to tear it up on top. I've seen this in person. The Rotary machine, we use a 1-inch bristle pad drive. This grips the bonnet. It doesn't damage the bonnet or fiber pad, and it's a superior way to attach your tools, your cleaning tools, your bonnets or fiber pads underneath of your machine, let alone the ability that this can use a brush on a carpet, which is a superior way to clean, even beyond what the bonnet can do. The multi-brush does pile lifting like a CRB and collection like a bonnet all in one pass. So it's faster, it's deeper, it's superior. You clean deeper, you clean faster, and this equals more money. The OP doesn't have the power, doesn't have the torque or the ability to run a brush on a carpet. Just none of them can do it. Not even the big $8,000 OP machines can do it. Your MiniMax starts at $4,200. It has superior build quality, it has more features, and it has more options that you can purchase where the OP machines don't even offer the options, like the satellite spray system or the removable storage or the robotic stair climbing wheels. Fact is, the OPs have put a lot of marketing into the industry on their orbit size, on their tamping, and all these different things. But what they neglect to tell you is that they vibrate on second floors. They can be loud to the people on the first floor underneath of them. They don't give you the bonnet choices. They don't allow you to use a brush. They don't allow the options that the MiniMax has. Now, this is 24 reasons why you should look at a MiniMax. The build quality is just far beyond what you're going to get. We have wires made right here in Pennsylvania for us. It's just a better option over an OP machine. So come see MiniMax, carpetmachines.com, look at the videos, make the comparisons, and you'll see why this is the best choice for your cleaning operation. It looks fantastic. Your customers will not only be impressed with the quality equipment you bring into their location, but the quality results that it gives you. So thank you for watching at MiniMaxCarpetMachines.com. You can see the full video that goes over all of the components and their benefits, and you can see a video where we take a very trashed restaurant type carpet and restore it beautifully, and we do it quite easily on top of that. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Again, my name's John Klesnick. I'm the founder of MiniMax, and I'll be happy to answer your questions, walk you through the shipping and receiving process. We even have videos on how to unpackage the box once UPS delivers it, and care and tips. And of course, you have me. I'm the designer, and I build these machines myself by hand, and I can walk you through any problem you would ever have and help you to get the most out of your machine and make the most with your cleaning business with this machine. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.